going on, guys? George with another video, and thank you guys so much for tuning in again. Right behind me, as you already know, my 2017 Toyota Tacoma. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a very simple but yet important install. I've been in the market for undercarriage armor for a while now, and I recently saw that RAGO Fabrication recently released their lower control arm skids, and they also released their full fuel tank skid for the Toyota Tacoma. Keep in mind, I've been rocking their product for a good minute now, from my bed stiffeners to my ditch mount brackets that you see there. And honestly guys, these guys make quality product, definitely worth every penny. So when I saw that they released the skids, I told myself, you have to get some of these. For those of you guys that know me pretty well, know that I'm usually the guy that tries to hit that offshoot a little too hard, and my undercarriage has definitely seen better days. So I'm hoping with these new skids, I'm protected, and hopefully nothing else breaks in the process. Enough said, let's get these bad boys installed. When you open up the box, you will get two lower control arm skids. You will also get some hardware that you'll be needing to do the install. One thing to definitely keep in mind is when you decide to place your order on their website, you do have two options: one to buy them bare metal, or one to buy them already powder coated. It's really up to you, but I definitely do suggest you buy them powder coated. That way you can just install them and avoid any type of rust. First, we're gonna start by locating the pre-drilled holes that come with the stock lower control arm. These are the holes that we're going to be using to pass the provided hardware through to secure the skid in place. Now we're going to grab our skid. We're going to position it into place. The RAGO logo should always be facing out towards the front portion of the truck. Now we're going to grab the hardware that's provided. We're going to put it through the hole. We're going to place it all the way up. We're gonna grab a washer, grab the lock nuts, and secure it in place. Now we're gonna grab our smaller bolts, we're gonna grab our washer, our lock washer, and our nut, and secure it in place. When it comes down to the tools that you're gonna be needing to secure the bolts in place, you will need a 11mm and a 14mm socket or wrench to secure them in place. So there you have it, guys, a quick, easy install. As you saw, it took about 5 to 10 minutes or so, and keep in mind, all you have to do is repeat the same process on the other side and you should be all done. Now, I'm really glad that I finally pulled the trigger. Why? Because now I can definitely have a peace of mind when hitting those funky obstacles where you think the whole undercarriage is just gonna fall apart by all the noises that you hear inside the cab. For those of you guys that do hit trails, know that those noises, they definitely they freak people out. They freak me out when I hear all the screeching and all the bumps and stuff. So now I know that if I do hear a bump or anything like that, that it's definitely hitting my skid plate and not my undercarriage. If you guys want to check out their product, I'll be putting all the info, well, you already know, I don't have to tell you guys, down below in the bio. But check it out, they have a ton of stuff. I've been rocking their stuff for a long time, and I can honestly tell you guys that their product is solid. Now when it comes down to the skid plates, you guys can definitely find them there. If you guys have a 4Runner, if you guys have a TRD Pro, make sure you look and make sure they say TRD Pro, make sure they say 4Runner, that way you guys don't get it confused. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I want to give a big thank you to Mario and Melissa at RAGO Fabrication for always making quality product. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.